Alright, yo, I just recorded the whole video, or like this afternoon, it's already evening. But I recorded my other screen because of my new monitor. Sad, but I'll just record it again. So, 1 month ago, I recorded a video and uploaded it. Haven't recorded in a while, but I basically want to go through my analysis from Friday and kind of want to show off what I learned new. Because in the old videos, or like the last video that I posted, was I didn't even really know what a breaker was actually, or like a lot of things from Ice-T. I didn't actually know, but now I do. I've watched every single Ice-T playlist except the 2023. I'm at episode 70 right now. Still got like 34 more to go. But yeah. So I took one trade Friday, and yeah, it was a silver bullet trade. Didn't really see any other setup, but if I look back now, I did see another setup. But this is my analysis for tomorrow. I already did my analysis with this video, or like I already recorded it, but I'll do it again. Maybe I'll see something new. So yeah, alright, so let's do this again. Alright, so let's first go through the trade. Let's remove all this. Alright, so market opened right here. We had no real news. I think we had something FOMC something. Was it? Oh, we have building permits at 8:30. Knew it was something at 8:30, but no real news. So that was not really high impact. But what we had is we had this imbalance on the daily. We had that daily imbalance, but on the 4 hour we had this imbalance, which is 4 hour, and we had this low, which I wanted to see get swept and then displacement through the upside, and I wanted to see this get filled, this 50-minute 50-minute Furvey gap, which was my draw all day, which was my draw on liquidity all day, even yesterday, but we didn't get it yesterday. A lot of chop yesterday. Oh wait, or yesterday. Oh wait, now I'm confused. Oh yeah, lol, it's right here. Yeah, right here. This was my draw on liquidity. This Furvey gap that was still left open, and we got a lot of chop. We actually already swept this yesterday, but we didn't get any displacement through the upside and filling this, but this was still my draw. So right there, that was my draw on liquidity for the day actually, but I want to see more, but didn't really get anything. So it's up sell side here. Got like a lot of accumulation right here. So from here, I want to see this sell side get hit, which we also tap into that 4 hour. I'm looking now. I'm seeing now. Yeah, this was my sell side target. It's just hindsight now. It looks like hindsight, but I had this all marked out. It was really pretty bad. I had this breaker marked out as well, which I remember, which had the standard deviation -3. I don't even know. I don't even know what I had. I don't even know, but I want to see this sell side get hit. It really looks like hindsight now. Oh yeah, and we also had this on the 1 hour. We had this rejection block. So I want to see, yeah, this was my target. So I want to see this rejection block, mean threshold. I wanted sell side get, want to see sell side get swept, or even on the 4 hour I had it, yeah. Makes it the bigger rejection block, target is easier, but we still didn't hit the target. But got a silver bullet trade in the AM session, so from 10 to 11. So right here, And if I look back, then there were some inverse FEGs trades, setups right there, but I'll go over my trade. So we got the 10 a.m. candle right here. We get displacement, we get a market structure shift. My draw was clear. I wanted to see the sell side and the mean threshold of this rejection block. We never got it, but still. Had my trade literally like this. Target sell side. Because we didn't tap sell side and we didn't take this liquidity, there wasn't an SMT. So that sell side was still there. And at 10 a.m. candle gave me the silver bullet. Actually, I think the first time I actually took a silver bullet, but stop above the high. Want to see this get tapped in. I got tapped in at this candle right here. Right there, it got tapped into perfectly. We hold it for like 5 more minutes. Then gets displacement through the downside. And then target was pretty easily met. And I wanted to see actually, I took a partial. I was in 3 contracts. I was in 3 mini contracts, and I had 2 at this low and 1 at the mean or the consequent encroachment of this rejection block. We didn't get it, so I had my stop above here, and I got filled right there. I wanted to see this act as an order block going through that rejection block, consequent encroachment. We didn't get it, but still fine. Got filled right there. Sold the buy stops, so that's pretty good. Or yeah, sold the, no, I bought the sell stop, sorry. Yeah, perfect delivery right there. Silver bullet trade, didn't take any other trade right there. Oh, where is it here? All right, so that's 10 to 11. And then there was this beautiful trade actually as well, which we actually formed a turtle soup right here. So from a turtle soup, we even get a market structure shift right here. For real, don't even know if this is actually market structure shift still, but don't really use the 2022 model a lot. I kind of only use breakers and stuff. But this is a breaker actually. So it's like a low, high, lower, low, higher, high from right here. So you could have had a trade in between here, which would be perfect. It's all fine if you know the actual draw and the buys. So actually got a breaker right here. I got what was his name, Dylan, I think as well. Messages, notifications. Yeah, this one, this guy. All right. Oh yes, closing above it is the elementary understanding of breaker theory. Once we know where the market is going, we could trade inside these PD arrays. We don't require break and retest like retail-minded traders. So yeah, we're not break and retest traders. So this would be a breaker because we've got a market structure shift. Don't have any Vervey gap, but we do have this inverse. So inverse FEG right here. And then your entry could be once we close with this candle above this Vervey gap. After, so like what have we all combined? We have sell side swept, we have a market structure shift, and we have an inverse Vervey gap disrespected, or a Vervey gap disrespected. All right, so our stop could be below this right here. If you zoom in, then you could find an order block. It's pretty choppy, but this is actually already the order block right there. And I will take it to this wick as well. So this could be your stop loss. Pretty high risk reward, but let's say you're scared, then this will act really as a order block. And then even this wick as a rejection block if you're really scared. But it shouldn't even come below this low actually, because we have an imbalance. So but yeah, still. So here's that stop could be there. I don't even know, like let's do it in between. I don't even know. so right there. And then where you target, well, this high is the clear or easy target, I would say. But I would actually target this imbalance that's still open. This is the actual imbalance right here, this 50 minutes. And then this is buy side right there. So I would target buy side inside of that preferred gap. So right there, we created actually equal highs right there. So you will have to wait this out. But still, if you look at the time, then your entry would be this candle, which is 11:50 till, where's your target? 12:05, 12:10, which would be the 11:50 to 12:10 macro. Center, bottom. So this would be your 11:50 to 12:10 macro. Alright, so that's a nice risk reward trade. Actually know that Aiden took this trade. Aidenomics. Alright, so we tapped that 50-minute for value gap. We didn't sweep this yet. We gave actually equal highs. Don't know if that's the case for if you didn't create an SMT right there. Let's see. Let's see what that high was. It was 9 a.m. Alright, so 9 a.m. and then 12:05. Alright, so right here. 12:05, so that's right here. So right there and right there. So as you can see, we never swept that. We never came close. So this is the SMT. Right there's right there. And then on the Dow, that's right here. Oops. To right here. So that's actually a really nice trade. I'm seeing it now actually. Really easy target. Because we create equal highs. And these are actual equal highs. Some people see them as equal, or some people see equal highs and they think that's draw, and most of the time it is if there isn't an SMT. If there is an SMT, then those probably aren't equal highs or equal lows, and they get used as liquidity. But yeah, easy target right here. This trade that Aiden took. We have this 5-minute SIBI right here. So as you can see, it displays through this. And this becomes a inversion. I think he got in on this candle. Maybe he got in early, I don't even know. Don't know, still need to learn how to get in early. I think his stop was right there. And then this was his first target, I don't even know. Maybe right there. This was his first target, I think then. And he had like a runner. Maybe filling up this hole for very gap, maybe even these highs. I don't really know. But yeah, draw got hit right there. I didn't see any other setup than the tree that I just gave. Yeah, my analysis for next week. Let's do this right now. Like for the weekly, for like a bigger time frame, I'm expecting this breaker. Not really expecting this breaker, but the standard deviation comes aligned with like this imbalance on the weekly. Oops. This is actually my weekly draw liquidity. Ooh, where is it? Weekly. So this is my weekly draw liquidity right here. So that's like a long-term draw liquidity. That's on the weekly, so that's where we're drawing through right now. That's what I'm thinking. And on the daily, we just took this right here, so that's why we get like a bit of consolidation, accumulation. But overall, I want to see this high, which is buy side, and I want to see this high, which is buy side as well. And then on the weekly, that will be perfect as well. That also because of this right here. On the weekly, this is just an easy target, 0.5 standard deviation. This is definitely buy side, this is definitely buy side. I could say this would be the drawn liquidity for upcoming week. Maybe we already take it in London session. I wouldn't be surprised. But yeah, you have this bigger for Vega, but don't expect this to get filled in. Actually, we took this, so let's mark this out. So this is the daily for Vega. Let's look at the 4 hour. You have actually pretty big wick. So we could see this as a rejection block, but we still have to see. Didn't tap the mean threshold right here. But we have these wicks as well, which are pretty big wicks as well. Yeah, right there. So inside of here is actually an order block as well. Before this up move, I think this is the order block, or this one is lower, so this actually would be all the order block. So the whole order block, I mean. But yeah, I'll just mark out the rejection block right here. It's almost the same. So right there, I'll just mark this out because it had like an imbalance between it. And right here, it's just another candle. Probably want to dig deeper. So there we have this order block, we have this rejection block. And then I already got my analysis on MES and YM as well, or ESM YM as well, but I don't want to do that now. And I got my analysis on DXY as well. But this for me is the draw right now, sell side. And the next draw would be yeah, this one first. Don't really see anything yet for now. So yeah, we have this imbalance right here. Don't think we're gonna go above this high because it didn't tap into the order block, but still. Yeah, I just think that this is sell side for now, like a really, really easy target. Don't really have, can't really get anything out of this because it's still accumulating. But we could have accumulation, manipulation, distribution, like early this week because we have a lot of accumulation right here. But still, this could be all our manipulation. So you get it right here already and then get more accumulation and then get our distribution. So it could be here as well, but don't really see anything here. So I think this is pretty strong actually, this all. So it took late. It would probably take Asian and London session, whole Asian and London session to get through this. Even if we do want to get through that, let's say we don't get, or we do, or we don't get through that, and we want to distribute to the upside already, which we probably won't, because it's Monday first. Then we probably take these highs, and then this Newsweek is, it's a Newsweek, so it's not really a rejection block if you look at it that way. But we do have this breaker, which came in line perfectly with the rejection block actually, but we already tapped that here perfectly. Yeah, right there. Oops. Not perfectly, yeah. That was my last for the upcoming week. Don't really want to do DXY. Oh, wait, is my voice recording even? Yeah, right. But yeah, that's really it. Yeah, nothing else really. Let's look at like Bitcoin or something. So this is the alert right there. This is buy side later on, which could be in like a week, so I don't even know. Yeah, I just wanted to show off what I've learned in like 1 month. I've my goal set for the upcoming year basically. But I had goals for um like what was it? Let me read it out. 0610 to 1511. So that's a few days ago. That was strategy adaptations, adaptations. And then 1511 to 0102 strategy perfection, and 0102 till 0604 is locked in perfection, and then also passing a funded account. So that's my those are my goals for like this upcoming year, basically, like early this year. But yeah, what else did I down last video? All right, yeah. Actually, finding the draw for me is now pretty easy. Or like, yeah, easy. It's becoming, yeah, it's kind of easy, but actually finding a trade and a setup is still kind of hard. I don't know. Um, yeah, I think I have to like, what I need to still learn is, of course, be more. It's pretty hard actually. I think I'm not really in the. I'm not really 100% focused. I think that's like the one thing actually. No, it's not really. Um, I don't know. It's just hard finding the right setups or something. Um, like I know where the draw is, but I still need to, yeah, just get more experience. I guess it's just more experience, and it's just because I'm really understanding like a lot now. But yeah, I think it's just some more experience. Uh, actually, messaging aiding, he doesn't respond, but I actually kind of use him as a note notebook. Actually, it's not my only notebook, of course. I do write everything on paper, but these are like my analysis. Yo, Aiden, can you help? Didn't take this. There was just a question that I had. Here, my have journal here is where I started. So I'm basically asking questions, and then like a week later, when I know the answer, then I'll answer it myself. Like, do you do you use standard deviations on Mondays? Why not? I was really confused because I thought maybe standard deviations on Mondays don't work or for some reason. I don't even know, but that it's like this response to Aiden probably has. Why not? Um, but yeah, let's see. Dollar index all got hit perfectly actually. So or perfectly like they got hit like really nice. Is this the 1 hour? Oh wait, didn't this one? Oh yeah, right here. Yeah, I just want to say, didn't those get hit? So that's what's by side. -2, -2.5 standard deviation. Any 1 hour for value gap. Right there, all got hit, and then we got a nice distribution to the downside. It's building up a lot of liquidity because I expect a really big distribution to the upside because we're almost at, or like almost. If we're right here, then we get a lot of distribution to the downside on the weekly. So running through all of this, but we'll see. Yeah, basically that's just, I'm not gonna go over everything, but like I don't even, I don't even know this one. I'm gonna look at this one. Where is it? It's the S&P. It's the 1 hour time frame. It was the 06. November. I think so. Right here. So draw didn't get hit, but we did had that 0 2 to 2.5 standard deviation, and I want to see something go lower, but it's not really. Just started with this right there, but I think it was right as well. Benji got hit. No. Alright, so this one was off. Yeah, I just started with this right here. Not ready to make an excuse, but like I had these, for example, and oh, this one was beautiful. Alright, let me show this one for oops. Let's close this. Alright, so it was the 50-minute. Was it right here? Or was it 8 November? Right here. Alright, so where was the draw? Draw on liquidity sell side. Oh wait, I actually have two right here. This analysis right here. Alright, so this was my draw right here. Then I want to see some retrace, going to this rejection block, retrace to the upside, and right here, rejection block, we hit that bit, trap the consequent encroachment, get space through the upside, tapping into this breaker, and then having displacement through the downside to this low, -4 standard deviation. -4 standard deviation gets hit perfectly on this candle, which is beautiful. Yeah, really beautiful. Yeah, actually beautiful. But yeah, that was the this one was wrong. This one, yeah, a bit too excited. Down for the week. Got structured by the equal lows with their 0.5 standard deviation. Long-term bias NQ already gave that. This retrace was wrong, but I actually saw later on that Aiden had the same prediction, which this retrace was wrong, but this draw on liquidity was right. Don't trade a cable, or no, this is actually a cable, and this was right. We did get distribution to the upside right here. We didn't get any retrace in the order block, but draw on liquidity was hit. Draw on liquidity was hit, and draw on liquidity was hit on Bitcoin as well. Yeah, it's like showing off, but yeah, finding draws becoming easier. But still finding trades is harder, or hard. So I still need to have like more experience, maybe a bit more patience. I have to look at I don't know, be more focused or something. Like look at more things, like maybe I missed something, like the small things, like right here is something that I could have had taken, pretty equal highs, but there was an SMT. That's something I didn't pick up, or didn't see. I don't even know if I was on the charts even after my trade. I actually wasn't, but yeah, something. There are still some things to perfect. Yeah, that's basically it. I probably won't. Maybe I'll upload this week again. Maybe next weekend. You guys see another video when I post one, because I still want to make this title, right? Watch me become a profitable trader. I still want to show how I became a profitable trader, and I'm actually getting closer, so I still want to capture this journey. But yeah, don't watch any of these videos. It's just my journey, and how I learned, and like literally things that I said were wrong or something. So don't really look at those videos. But yeah, it is my journey, so you can see them if you want. But yeah, I'll see you guys upcoming week, next week. I don't know. I'll see you guys. Bye.